Hey guys, Zorp is an easy way to build applications for your on-ground workforce. Be it a simple data collection form or something complex like running the operations for your field sales team, you can build the right tools in a matter of minutes using Zorp. You can build your workflows, test it, and go live all within a matter of minutes. Today, let's see how to build an application to manage the on-ground field sales teams. First, let's start with workflows. Workflows are basically the building blocks for your app in the job builder. Every workflow has steps and transitions. For our workflow, let's design an app that has three steps. The first step, where the customer's details are entered by the field sales agent. The second being the product descriptions and the plan that the customer is willing to subscribe to. And the third being the completed step. Let's name our first step as customer details. Adding a new step is as easy as dragging and dropping into the job builder. Let's delete this transition. So connecting the steps is as easy as just connecting them one by one and we create a transition. Our workflow with the steps and transitions is now ready. Next, we need to configure the screens that the user would see on the Zorp mobile app while executing the task. So first, in the customer details screen, we would want the user to get the customer's name, the mobile number, and the company and designation. So we can use one of the various components that are available on the Zorp builder. We can use the number for the mobile number. We have now created all the four input components that we require. But where do we store these details? This is where we need to create the data fields. So let's create a data field to store the customer's name. It's going to be a text data type. Similarly, a customer mobile. So all our data fields into which the inputs given by the user will be saved is now ready. We need to head back to the components, click on the write to data field and select the appropriate data field into which we want to store it. So name goes into the customer name. Since we gave the customer mobile to be a number data field, we can store it only into a data type that is of the field type as number. Our first step with the components and data fields is now ready. On the next step, we want to display the product's name and also capture the subscription type and get a customer signature. So we can add the text component to display the product's name, a drop-down component to get the subscription that the customer wants, and finally a signature component. Next, we need to store the subscription length and the signature label into the data fields. So let's create two data fields for the same. First being the subscription length, and one more is the signature. Let's store our subscription length into the subscription length data field. Similarly for the signature. On the completed screen, we can add an acknowledgement to the user that the task was completed. The moment we hit publish, our app is now ready to be tested on the Zorp app in the mobile. To start testing our app, we need to create the task. Creating a task on Zorp can be done using single task or using the bulk task feature where you can upload a CSV and create multiple tasks. Let's create a task now to test our app. We have created a task now. Let's assign it to a user. To start doing the task that was just assigned, the user has to just download the Zorp app from the Play Store or App Store and use the credentials to log in and start doing the work. The task that we just assigned would be shown to the user as a task card on the home screen. Let's start executing our task. We just saw how easy it was to build our own app and go live within a matter of minutes. All the details entered by the user on the mobile app will be shown to us on the task details view over here. We can export all these details by using the export function on the Zorp app. Thank you for watching the demo. Head on to Zorp.one to subscribe and start building your own app for your workforce. Thank you.